Okay guys, just a quick little video to give an update on the chard and beets with the thin layer of cocoa on top. Nowhere near as professional as you guys, I apologize, but I usually tend to hide behind the camera instead of in front. So last night when I checked on these, it appeared the cocoa was coming up a little bit. So when I restacked them, I gave them a bit of a gentle push down. And now, this morning, when I go in and I go poke, 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 that's firm. There's no pushed up soil anywhere through there. That's firm. I'm going to see if I can grab this one-handed. Move you up a shelf, and let's check on the next layer down. That's pretty firm. So I guess having, well, we'll see in a little bit, because there's still a bunch, just poking up through. I might keep these stacked for another day, and we'll see how that comes out. So there's our chard. And let's see how our beets are doing here. Yeah, it's not having a bunch of raised soil on top. So it appears that sort of gentle shove down that I gave, perhaps in combination with the thin layer, yeah, we're doing pretty good here. It's soft and squishy like cocoa is, but it's not like it's raising a layer up. I think that worked pretty well. Anyways, just a bit of an update for you. Cheers!